Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a RedMagic 10R and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's start with opening the contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Tap on the contacts here, and for some reason I do not have the contacts. I don't know, but that's okay. Let me just create the contact quickly. Right. Okay, and save. So here we've got our contact list. Let's tap on the contact which we would like to edit. Now we have to tap on this edit icon, so the pencil icon in the right upper corner, and here we've got this option add picture. So we can either tap inside the circle or tap on add picture, it's totally up to you. And here we've got 4 different options from which we can choose. So we've got the photos, and in the photos, device photos, we've got 2 different options again. So we've got our own gallery. We can choose something from previously taken photos, or we can open the camera app, which is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her. Google Photos, and here we've got basically your backed up photos. Monogram, so you can just use the first letter from the name or the surname of the contact, change the background color, change the font. You can also use the emoji, totally up to you. Or you can use something or choose something from the illustrations. They are free of charge and they are available online. So those are pretty nice option to choose if you do not have the photo of someone whose contact you'd like to customize. So you can still choose something from those options. And I will pick this deer. So let's tap on it. Here in this illustrations, you've got also the presets, so you can change the colors, which are really nice. And it does not really matter whether you will use the illustrations or your own photos or anything. You will be able to crop the picture. So here you will be able to zoom in or out the photo just by using your fingers, 2 fingers. You can change the position of it. Moreover, you can change the size of this highlighted square. Basically, thanks to the square, you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted area is responsible for it. So position the photo just like you want to in this highlighted circle, and then tap on choose if you're ready. So let me tap on it. As you can see, it will immediately appear right here. So to save everything, tap on save in the right upper corner. So here we've got our contact. This is how it will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.